Hello everyone, in this lesson I will show you how to make Windows UI Acrylic in Figma. So first you need to import the dark wallpaper version of Windows 11, and we need first to create taskbar and the start menu. And the search bar. Then we need to create the rounded corners and rounded corners here. Then we need to create the 1px line for the taskbar. After we finish our layout and creating the shapes, we need to create the design. So first we need to adjust the colors to 2C, 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 and choose luminosity. It will look like this, and make the opacity 100% and this to 60%. Then the third one, we need to make it as image. Choose image, and Windows Noisy Texture, you will find it in description box. Set it 2%, then go to effects and apply the background blur and set it to 180, and it will look like this. The search bar, we need to make it to 222031 and put it to solid, and we need to make a stroke, put it to 1.6 for example, and make linear, put it this here, and this make it full, and this make it 10%, and adjust it to 444, this, and this adjust to 76 and 194 and 255 to look like this. Then the taskbar, we need to make those just like those steps, 2C, 2C, 2C. And here is 60%. Adjust the color and edit the background blur 150. And we are all finished. And for this line, we need to make it 404,348. And if we make zoom in, you will see it's coming just like that. So simply, this is a basic Windows layout with an acrylic design. The taskbar and start menu, you will find it similar to this design. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.